Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number 1 pick is PetSafe ScoopFree Ultra Litter Box. This self-cleaning litter box can keep your feline's box fresh for up to 3 weeks without any scooping or cleaning. Roughly 20 minutes after your cat exits, the self-cleaning box will sift the litter and dispose of it in a securely lined tray below. The crystal cat litter absorbs urine, neutralizes smells, dehydrates feces, and helps reduce tracking, so your pet won't get the litter all over the house. This covered cat litter box comes with both side and top entry and provides a plastic cover to shelter your cat while he or she uses the box. Once your litter box is full, simply remove the disposable tray and toss. Let's watch more on this litter box.
Its highly engineered technology, ScoopFree is a virtually touch-free leave it and don't worry about it litter system. After your cat uses ScoopFree, the super absorbent odor-trapping ScoopFree crystals begin to absorb wetness and dry out solid waste. Then, 20 minutes after your cat leaves, sensors activate the stainless steel cleaning rake. It's whisper quiet and rakes waste into a covered trap, sealing away waste and odor. Then you just throw it away. Your hands never touch messy waste or litter.
ScoopFree helps keep your home clean and fresh.
It's easy to set up. Simply lift the box and slide in a disposable litter tray pre-filled with ScoopFree crystals. Then every few weeks simply cover the tray, throw it away, and replace with a fresh one. Unlike traditional litter boxes that spread a foul odor throughout your house, ScoopFree uses crystals which absorb wetness and lock away odors on contact, and then seal odors and waste in the covered trap.
Our second best self-cleaning litter box is CatGenie Self-Washing and Flushing Cat Box. Though many automatic litter boxes are made for average to small cats, the CatGenie Self-Washing and Self-Flushing Cat Box is a great option for bigger cats. This option is a little pricier than some of our other picks, but it can accommodate 1 to 2 large cats or 3 average-sized cats. Shaped like a traditional toilet, the CatGenie requires access to an electrical outlet and cold water to function. This box uses litter-like granules that are dust-free and never require changing. Let's watch how set up this litter box.
With a CatGenie, you'll save your back and your money. For 2 cats, 1 Santa solution lasts 2 months, while 1 tub of litter lasts only 1 month. Locate your CatGenie in a bath or powder room, or in a laundry or utility room. Make sure you have enough space for your CatGenie. The CatGenie is 17 inches wide in back, 19 inches wide in front, 24 inches deep, and 21 inches high. In a bathroom, simply screw on the supplied T-adapter to the cold water supply line from the sink or toilet. Then, screw on the CatGenie water hose. Place the drain hose over the toilet rim. In the laundry room, attach the larger T-connector to the cold water supply line, then add the CatGenie water hose. Place the CatGenie drain hose into the laundry waste drain. Now you're ready to enjoy the most sanitary cat box you can own.
Our number 3 is Petzone's Smart Scoop Automatic Litter Box. If you're concerned about noisy motors, this automatic box is 4 times quieter than competitors, allowing you to put the box in a living space or bedroom without disruption. Just 15 minutes after your cat uses the box, a rake will sift through the Petzone box and remove clumps. A reusable tray below collects waste, and each purchase comes with a 6-month supply of plastic bags for easy disposal. Our fourth pick is Littermaid Multi-Cat Self-Cleaning Litter Box. This automatic cat litter box is designed with multiple cat households in mind and works well for cats over 15 pounds. A sensor detects when your cat has done her business and triggers a rake that automatically scoops the remains into a tray below. The best part of the Littermaid box is the paw cleaning ramp that helps reduce litter tracking through your home. This box stays clean for up to 7 days and works with any litter of your choice. Our last pick is CatGenie AI Self-Washing Cat Box. The CatGenie AI eliminates the need for litter completely. This revolutionary litter box uses special granules which are raked to remove solid waste, then rinsed with a sanitizing solution and blown dry, so your cat has clean, fresh litter every time it goes. The granules are made from natural materials, which get broken down by bacteria in a landfill or septic tank, making them septic safe. This litter box installs easily in your bathroom or laundry room, using a cold water hookup and a drain to flush the waste, no plumber necessary. It's ideal for multiple cats, large or small but not kittens. The CatGenie app allows you to monitor the frequency of your cat's bathroom visits, which can help detect early health issues and provide status updates on the cleaning cycles. You can select whether you want the cleaning to take place every time your cat uses the litter box or at set times throughout the day. The washable granules and Sani solution need to be replenished a few times per year. This litter box comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee and a 2-year warranty.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!